So where are you from?
We're from Australia.
Wonderful. So when did you come to Sri Lanka?
We've been here 2 weeks now. So we've been cycling for 2 weeks.
All right.
And there's a big group of Australians, whereas 22 in our group. Push biking very hot.
Right. So 22 of you Australians are in here, Sri Lanka.
Correct.
Right.
We love your country.
For how long are you gonna stay here?
2 weeks.
We've been 2 weeks, so we're actually leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yep.
So you said you love our country. So
Sure,
tell us three
sure.
things about our country that you love the most.
People, number one.
Right, okay.
Friendly, very even, nobody gets upset.
Right.
Could we say they're drivers?
They're very good drivers.
And
Right.
the food is pretty good.
Food is pretty good.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Tell us 2 dishes that you love the most.
I love curry prawns were pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else?
And what else did we like?
We made
We did a cooking course.
chicken curry.
Okay.
We made dal.
Right.
We made aubergine curry.
Okay.
We made papadam.
You made papadam
Yeah.
as well.
We made
Okay.
papadam.
The whole
Coconut
yeah.
sambal. We made that 10 dishes.
Right.
And
Great.
then we got to eat them all.
And we got to eat them all. Very much.
Okay. What's your favorite destination in Sri Lanka?
Oh, the tea plantation.
They're all the tea plantations.
Yeah,
Tea plantation.
up in the mountains.
Where is it?
Near Kandy,
Yeah.
lots of hills and
So we-
green. And
Right.
So we caught the train up there, our group,
Hmm?
and their push bikes were all delivered to the top of the mountain,
Right.
so we could ride all the way down
Yeah.
through the tea plantation.
Kandy to Hatton, and then we saw it.
And very exciting, very steep and exciting. Try not to get run over and knocked off our bikes by the buses coming up the mountain.
So
We did.
So how which you did?
Otherwise, we're still here, aren't we?
Right. So what's your worst experience in Sri Lanka?
It's all pretty good.
Sorry?
The puppy dogs.
Puppy dog.
Some of the dogs were a little bit sick. They had mange, losing their hair. That was a bit sad.
Mm.
And we saw a little baby monkey tied up on a chain for the tourists, and that was a little bit distressing. But
Right.
that was really like this. Everything's been fantastic, you know? And the monkey looked really, really healthy. Looked really happy. So don't know.
So even though they did it for tourists, it's not
Yeah.
something that you accept, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
Right. It's good that you
Yeah.
share those experiences with
Yeah.
us, so that when people get
Yeah.
to know things, they would do things better.
And
All right.
also we went on a safari at Yala. Was it Yala? No, it was the other one.
Oh, the other elephant
There was an
safari.
elephant safari, and I can't remember where that was. There were a lot of jeeps, and they got
700
very
of them.
close to the animals.
Like this far away
Yeah.
from the animal.
Just a
Very,
little bit
very
crowded
close.
for the animals.
And
They
it looked like the animals
maybe a bit distressed.
maybe a little distressed. I mean,
Yes.
they didn't carry on, but
Yeah.
I just thought it was a bit too close to wild animals.
Too many
Except for
sheep.
the leopard. He wasn't too worried about any of us. He was leopard, big cuddly leopard was sitting over there just ignoring us all. That was fantastic.
So even for your experience, you believe that there should be some distance and let the animals
Yeah.
live their
Yeah.
own life.
Yeah.
without-
Too many
It's nice to
safaris.
look at them, but you need to give them space.
Right. So is there anything else that you want to share with all the tourists who want to come to Sri Lanka?
Come to Sri Lanka and have a good time and enjoy the prawn curries.
And the prawn curries, all right.
Especially the coconut prawns. Beautiful.
Coconut prawns. Okay.
And talk to the friendly locals.
Yeah.
The
All right.
local people are very friendly and willing to talk. Yes.
We're honored.
Yeah, all
Thank you so
good.
much.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you. Ayubovan.
Everyone.